is Naina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are making the most delicious chocolate chip cookies you have ever eaten. So let's make it. In a large mixing bowl, mix together flour and the baking soda. Mix well so both the ingredients are well combined. Set that aside and take another bowl. Now take 120 grams softened butter and put it in the bowl. Now take a whisk and beat the butter till it becomes very smooth. It will look like this. Now add 50 gram granulated sugar or normal sugar and 50 gram brown sugar. By adding brown sugar, you enhance or increase the flavor of cookies. Now keep mixing till the sugar is well incorporated in the butter. It should look like this. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract into it. Now crack one medium-sized egg into the batter. Now here, you really need to mix the egg well in the batter. It should look like this. Now switch over to a spatula for further mixing. Now gradually add the flour and the baking soda mixture that we made earlier. This is the right consistency for adding the chocolate. Now add roughly chopped dark chocolate and mix. Now it's time for adding 40 grams chocolate chips. Remember to fold in the mixture very gently. Now take a baking tray lined with a parchment paper. Now scoop some of the batter with a measuring cup or an ice cream scooper. Like this. Now it's time for adding some choco chips on the top of the balls. Like this. Now our balls are ready to bake. Our cookies are looking so delicious. Now transfer the cookies on a wire rack so that it can cool properly. Now enjoy your cookies. So wasn't it a yummy and easy to make recipe? I'm sure that you will try this cookie recipe. So thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and like this video.